You're looking at the document viewer in our library. On the toolbar are our custom AI tools for generating flashcards and notes that are deep linked to text and regions of interest on the current page in view. The most important of these tools, and the best one to get you started if you're new to Smarter Humans, is the AI Playground. Let's explore its capabilities. A comprehensive set of flashcards has been generated. Each flashcard is linked to a passage of text. There are nearly 40 flashcards here, and while you could click and save all of them, we recommend being selective and curating only those you want to practice to remember what you've learned. I urge you to be selective and not save too many flashcards. You can save them individually, and you can even open any of them to edit and then save. Currently, we're in whole page view. In addition to generating a set of flashcards, our AI has also generated a summary of the page that can be saved as a note. I could edit this note right here, but I'll save it as is. In addition to the whole page view, we also have Concepts View, where the AI lists the key concepts presented on the current page. While flashcards help you remember what you've learned, Concepts View helps you understand the content on the page. 4 key concepts were identified on this page, and these light bulbs direct you to the portions of the text where each concept is discussed. Each light bulb has a number corresponding to the associated concept. Let's explore the concept of stretch receptors. When I clicked it, the page scrolled, the relevant light bulb moved to the center of the view and became highlighted. Here's a brief description defining stretch receptors, and here are the beginnings of a note, which is, at this point, simply the source text from the page. You can see up here that we're set to metaphors, and beneath the note are some AI-generated metaphors. You can choose to read these if you need some assistance in understanding the concept of stretch receptors. You can even add one or more of them, and they'll be appended to the note. We also have analogies. I like this one, so I'll add it to my note. If you'd like an explanation of the concept, we have them at 5 levels of complexity, ranging from a 5-year-old's level to that of a domain-level expert. You can save any combination of metaphors, analogies, and explanations if you want them appended to your note. Any notes you save that are associated with the document in your library will be saved inside a collection of notes in the Notes section of our app. Let's find the collection of notes associated with this PDF textbook on anatomy and physiology. Here's the summary of the textbook. Every file that you upload to the library automatically gets an AI-generated summary. Here's the note we created for the stretch receptors concept, which includes the metaphor, analogy, and explanation I saved. Obviously, I'm free to edit this note at any time. I can also click to bring the source text into view with the relevant light bulb. Here's the summary of the page that we saved. If I click here, the page itself will appear. We also enable you to generate a set of flashcards that are deep linked to passages of text in your notes. As our core promise states, if you struggle with an answer while practicing these flashcards, you can click the source button, and the deep linked passage in your note will appear to help you fully refresh your memory. Finally, I want to point out that we have navigation arrows when you're in the whole page view of the AI Playground. One possible workflow is to leave the AI Playground open and use the arrows to navigate to the next page as you read your file. Then you'll instantly have at your fingertips our AI-generated content to help you comprehend and remember what you're learning.